Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. Alright, so I've had this silk press on my hair for going on 3 weeks now, and it is dirty and it's time for a wash. And it's time for a treatment, which is why we're here. I'm going to tell you about that in just a minute. It's actually a little well-known secret, and I don't know why the natural community chooses to ignore this secret, or they just like spending money because this is a very inexpensive treatment. But this treatment is well worth it, and it will restore your natural curls just like that. And if you don't believe me, you can look at this video right here of when my curls were dead in the water. I'm talking about stringy, had no elasticity, none of that. And I use this consistently once every other month for a deep treatment, and boom, curls back. So okay, I am going to go ahead and wash my hair, and I will be right back. But first, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me. If you like this video, give me a big like, and go ahead and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. All right, I'll be right back with my hair washed, and then we can get started on this little secret. That's not really a secret, but I'll let you in just a minute. All right, guys, I am back. My hair is washed, and we are ready to do this secret treatment that is going to help restore my curls. I have been wearing my hair, full disclosure, I've been wearing my hair silk pressed for the whole winter. Winter is almost over. Matter of fact, the first day of spring is, it's today, right? Am I right? Anyway, first day of spring is today, which is usually when I start wearing my hair back natural. But like I said, I've been pressing, I've been silking, I've been straightening all winter long. So yes, I am going to have some straight strands where my curl has lost its memory. Full disclosure again, I don't say heat damage, because I am tired of seeing all these beautiful girls on YouTube with this thick, long hair, and just because they got a few straight strands, they say their hair is heat damage. Baby, your hair is not heat damage. You just lost your curl memory loss. Your curl has lost its memory, and it can be gotten back easy. I'm gonna show you in just a minute. However, damage to hair, to me as a hairstylist, is chemical damage when you have fried your hair with either relaxer or you've over-processed it and it's just breaking. Color damage can do it, and that's when you have colored your hair too much or too light, so it's dry, it's brittle, and it's breaking from that. Heat damage, baby, means you done burnt your hair. That's what heat damage means to me as a hairstylist. Heat damage means you burnt your hair, it is burnt to a crisp, and it is breaking out. What you people, should I say you people? I don't mean to say you people. What people on YouTube and naturalistas, I should say, call heat damage is not heat damage. Your hair has just been straightened. Now, when you do curl it, when you color it, yes, that's chemical damage. That's a form of damage. You are damaging your hair, and you are stretching out your elasticity of your hair and losing elasticity. But actual heat damage, no. The flatiron ain't gonna do that. I'm sorry. It will straighten, and your hair is like, look, I can't take it no more. I've lost my elasticity. But that's why we're gonna use this to get it back. And so I'm gonna take my hair down. It's been washed. And people will say, well, Miss Magic, why are you using a cotton towel? You should be using microfiber. You should be using a t-shirt. Because I'm a hairstylist, and this is what I've been using since day one. Cotton towel. I love it. This is what I use. So, whatever. Sue me. Just kidding. Don't sue me. I got some microfiber. But, anywho. So, this is my hair after I've washed it. I do, like I said, I do have some straight pieces over here. My hair always stays straighter over here, so the curl pattern is a little bit off, but we're gonna get that together right now. So y'all ready? The big secret is, cholesterol, and this is free Hollywood Beauty olive oil cholesterol. It does come in a regular cholesterol, and it also comes in olive oil. I love the olive oil. Baby, you don't have to buy 0 to 8. You know that brand that costs $28 a bottle and breaking people's backs on whatever chemical they got in there or natural. I don't know what's in that stuff. I am not going to lie. I did buy the shampoo. I brought number 4 and I brought number 5, which I do like. You know, it hurt my back to spend $28 a bottle, but I like it, and the shampoo does go a long way, so that's not a problem. But for getting your hair strengthened and back, you do not have to do that. All you have to do is use plain old cholesterol. And there are many homemade ways to make cholesterol treatments, but why even do that when you can buy this for $5? Matter of fact, it's not even $5. It's like $3.98 at Walmart or something like that. And this is going to restore all my curls back. Even the looseness you see, I think I got a couple of strands over here. And like I said, my hair on this side always plays games with me, but it's cool. So while I do this cholesterol treatment, I am going to read to you guys the benefit of a good old-fashioned cholesterol treatment. So let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna start on this side first, my looser strand side. And we're just gonna make sure it's all tangled. And baby, we just gonna dive on in there. I mean, it's only $4, so who cares? So let's just read what cholesterol is. Cholesterol is a naturally occurring fat-like component of the keratin membranes, as in the cells that make up the hair. When using cholesterol topically in your hair, its lipid-heavy ingredients can help repair chemical, color, or heat damage, which I told you I don't believe in that word. But anyway, or damage caused by over manipulating the hair, leaving your hair soft, healthy, and shiny. So that is what cholesterol is. Okay, so now we'll go into the type of ingredient. It's a hydrator or moisturizer. Who should use cholesterol? Cholesterol has actually been used for textured hair types, which is mainly African American and people with coarse hair, for many, many years. Those with dry, thick, and coarse hair may benefit from cholesterol treatments. It can make fine hair limp or weigh down. So if your hair is fine, cholesterol might not be for you. So, you know, if you have fine limp hair, it is going to weigh it down. But for thick hair, it's perfect. Anyone with hair that is damaged from chemicals or heat, and when I say heat, I mean you done burnt your hair, is also a great candidate for cholesterol treatment. How often can you use cholesterol? Depending on the amount of damage, at least once a week, if not once a month. For me, because I have been silk pressing my hair all winter, I think I'm gonna start off with once a week, maybe. Oh no, you know what? I'm not gonna do once a week. I'm gonna do once every other week. That once a week is too much. So, and then after that, it'll probably be winter time again to be back. Time for me to start silk pressing my hair. So we're not even gonna worry about that. Okay, so and then it works well with, you can combine cholesterol treatments such as mayonnaise or egg yolks, and that's the homemade one I'm telling you about. But we're not doing homemade. We doing out the jar. And then so the homemade one, mayonnaise or egg yolk with honey or other oils, including olive oil, jojoba oil, or coconut oil. So that's if you're gonna do it homemade. And then now it says don't use it with, guess what? There are no known ingredients that negatively interact with cholesterol treatments. However, if you are allergic to eggs, you should avoid using the egg yolk. I mean, that's common sense. That's definitely common sense. So, I mean, we slapping it up in here. We slapping it up in here. All right, so now we're gonna get into the benefits of cholesterol treatment. And so, here we go. A cholesterol treatment has many benefits for all different hair types. Those with oily hair can focus on the treatment on the ends, while those with dry hair can apply the treatment from roots to tip. I don't really have dry hair, and I'm not really doing my roots, but I am gonna go mostly up the hair shaft, and I'm gonna leave my roots alone because I don't really have dry hair like that. So a cholesterol treatment has many benefits for all different hair types. Once again, those with oily hair can focus from the treatment on the ends, while those with dry hair can apply the treatment from root to tip. If your hair is dry and brittle, especially during cold winter months, a cholesterol treatment may be beneficial in order to help you retain moisture and stay soft and healthy. Okay. So what does the cholesterol treatment actually do? repairs the hair. Cholesterol treatments are typically rich in lipids or fats designed to repair the hair. It rehydrates the hair. Adding lipids and fats to the hair gives it more moisture. And that is what we want, right? We want our hair to stay moisturized if we are wearing it natural. It helps the hair cuticles lay flat. And when I say flat, not straight, it just helps the cuticles so that they won't start splitting. See, when you got a cuticle and it's flat, you're fine. You don't have split ends. So you want yours to stay flat. And by cholesterol saying it helps to stay flat, hold on, let me put this in my hair so I can show y'all what I'm talking about. So by it saying it helps the cuticle lay flat, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So your cuticle, you want it to be like this. When you start getting split ends, little hairs start popping up on the flat all around like that. And those are the split ends that will break off. So the cholesterol treatment will keep the strands flat like that. You see what I'm saying? So that's exactly what that means. So when it says that. Okay, so it softens the hair. Most cholesterol treatments have nourishing oils and cholesterol in the ingredients which help soften the hair. Who don't want soft hair? Everybody wants soft hair. You don't know hard hair. So, and then it gives the hair shine, which that is like, I love it, because when I do these cholesterol treatment, I mean, my hair is so shiny and healthy looking. I love it. So and you can use as much as you want, y'all. I know y'all see me slathering on all this cholesterol, but trust me, you can use as much as you want. Okay, it's great for over-processed hair. And this is what I'm talking about. Over-processed meaning if you relax your hair and you over-process it, meaning you left the relaxer in too long or the relaxer was too strong for your hair type. And you know when you'll know if you have a relaxer, if your hair is over-processed, because once it like gets blow dry, it will leave this white cast on your hair, which I've had several times when I used to have a relaxer. And I'm a hairstylist, and I'm like, what the hell? But then I slowly learned, oh shit, my hair is over-processed. It's gonna eventually break and fall off. But I didn't really know about cholesterol treatments back then, so maybe if I would have experimented in the cholesterol treatment, maybe it wouldn't have broke off, but who knows? So that's what it means. So heat, color, chemical damages caused by damage to the lipids in the hair. Cholesterol treatments are designed to counteract that damage. If your hair is damaged from coloring or styling, a cholesterol hair treatment will help restore your hair's health, moisture, and softness. And who doesn't want that? And once again, y'all, $5. You ain't got to pay $28 per bottle to get your hair healthy. And that leads me to the last benefit of cholesterol. It's cost effective. Most cholesterol treatments on the market are less than $5. All right, so now we gotta go to hair types. We'll go to, we already said hair types. It's good for thick hair. It's not really good for fine hair that is limp, because it's not gonna do nothing but make it limper. So we don't want that. But let's go to how to use cholesterol treatments. From hot oil to creamy mask, which is what I'm doing, and even homemade DIY treatments. There are many ways to use cholesterol treatments for healthier hair. A great way to ease it is to start by using it once a month or every other week to see how your hair reacts, or even eventually build up to once a week or more based on your hair needs, if you want to do that. But like I said, I don't think I'm gonna do once a week. I'm gonna do every other week. Because cholesterol treatments are so rich in ultra moisturizer, you won't use them as leave-in treatments or styling products. Never leave it in. You're gonna always wash this out. Today, I'm going to let this sit on my hair for about probably an hour, and so I can get it, get the full benefit of it. But you don't have to let it sit for an hour. And I might not even, maybe 35 minutes to 35 to 45 to whatever time. I might fall asleep, it might be longer. But anyway, so I'm not going to go into the homemade treatments. I'm just going to, they got cholesterol hot oil treatments, which are good, and that would be good for people with dry scalp. You might want to do that, but just make sure you rinse it out really good, and then shampoo it after you rinse it out to make sure you got all of that out. Pretty much, that's basically it. I mean, what's not to love about cholesterol? It's going to moisturize your hair. It's going to bring your curls back. Not in one setting. My curls will not be popping right here in that little straight piece I showed y'all in one setting. But I am going to come back and show you my hair after I finish the cholesterol treatment, and we can wrap this video up. But I just want you guys to know there is a cost-effective way, and I don't really know why naturals don't really talk about cholesterol that much. It's all about, you know, the new product to buy, and it's like spending all this money. You could just go to Walmart and get you a $5 bottle of cholesterol and be straight. I don't understand why more people are not doing that. But guys, I will be back in about an hour. Well, to y'all, I'll be right back actually. But after I put all this cholesterol in and after I sit under the dryer for about 35, 45, whatever minutes, I'll be back to show you my hair and wrap up this video. All right guys, so I am back. I have just rinsed the cholesterol out my hair. My hair feels soft and springy. Yes, I still have the straight pieces over here, but I promise you, after about 2 months of doing my deep conditioning with the cholesterol treatment, my curls will be back. That's to say if I don't silk press it and straighten it out, because it's a process. But compared to spending $28 a bottle on something that you could just spend $5 a bottle on, I mean, it's like weighing the options right here. It's give or take. If you like, hey, I'm not telling you don't spend $28 a bottle. If that's what you like to do on you like using expensive products on your hair, that's fine, go ahead. I'm telling you, you do not have to do that. All you gotta do is go ahead and get this olive oil, is it Queen Helen's? No, there is a Queen Helen's olive oil, but this is Hollywood Beauty cholesterol treatment, but there's a Queen Helen's as well. So you can just get this and you'll be good to go. Or the regular cholesterol, they got so many different kind of cholesterol treatments, they all do the same thing. Or you can make your DIY handmade cholesterol treatment as well. Not trying to stop you from doing that, but at least try it. I mean, my hair feels great. It feels strong, it feels healthy. I really don't know what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna do a wash and go, a twist out, or a blowout. I'm not gonna silk press it anymore. I will not be silk pressing my hair again until the fall. But I might do a blowout twisty style, not sure yet. But stay tuned. But let me know in the comments below if you've tried a cholesterol treatment, if it helped your hair, or you say, no, I'd rather spend all that money on something at the store or on Sephora or whatever and buy that stuff, or just tell me below. If you've used cholesterol and it was trash, or you loved it, and are you tired of buying all that other expensive stuff? So I want to thank you guys for watching. Go ahead, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. I hope to see you guys in past, present, and future videos. Love you guys. Bye.